Hello guys, what's up? So this is Wisdom Muke here. I want to show you how to use Smart Flow Pro or Institution Order Flow Analyzer. Okay, this is specifically an indicator that is there to help both those who don't know much about the market, those who know about the market, and also experts to make better trading decisions. It uses order flows, order blocks, or smart money to help you understand and know volume profile, to understand and know where institutional orders are, where there is more buying pressure and selling pressure, and also give you final decisions on where to place your trade. Remember, this is an indicator to help you understand all those things. It will help you and tell you where to enter and when to enter. It has 3 confirmations, and once those confirmations are met, it will be able to give you an alert. So let's proceed. I'm going to go on my desktop in the document Smart Profile Analyzer. I will copy, and then I will come in my MT5 deriv account. I'll click on the file, open data, and then I'll come on MQL5, indicators, and then I will paste like this. Since it is already there, that is an indicator. It is already there. Then from there, I'll close. Next, I have to do is to drag. Okay, you come here. So after you drag that, you just have to come within this, right click, refresh. And then after you do a refresh, you can now come either double click on your right, your left click, double click, or you can just drag it all the way to the chart. And once you drag it, mostly if you're doing it for the first time, it will bring you here where it says common. This is a Smart Flow Pro Institutional Order Flow Analyzer Volume 4.0. Okay, that is a brand Katamvo system. This is a professional institutional order flow analyzer which tracks smart money, volume delta, cumulative delta, order blocks, advanced volume profile, liquidity analysis with trading signals. So it helps you to understand everything that is going on the chart. Here on this tab, this is an input tab. Okay, we have delta, volume delta, look back period. Okay, 2030 is fine. So if I want, I can just say 25. Cumulative delta calculation bar 100 is just fine. Display volume profile true. You have to display volume profile true. Detect institutional order block. You have to make it to be true. Show liquidity zone true. Okay, then generate buy and sell signals. So this gives you signals when the time to buy or sell comes. Minimum strength for signals is 70. So the moment this 70 reaches, it will give you a buy. Okay, so you have to enter buy manually because this is not an expert advisor, but an indicator. Okay, and require volume confirmation for signals true. Then minimum confirmation required is 3. When these are met, so it also gives you stop loss 30 pips, okay, and 65 take profit, all these are okay. And then minimum risk to reward ratio for signals is 2. High risk delta threshold is 3. So if if it is not the good time to trade, it will be indicating a red zone there. Okay, reset cumulative delta at this level. Now, these are visualization. Buying volume color is Dodge blue when the institutions are buying. Sell volume color is orange red. Positive delta color is lime, which is green, and then red for negative. Order block color is gold. Volume profile width 80. So if we want, we can say 100. It's fine. Okay, show clear buy sell label on chart. It will show you when it's time to buy or sell. Okay, enable sound, you'll leave all this to be true. And then you can change the color, okay, buying volume and all these things you can change. You leave up to them, to yourself, to them. Okay, scale, inherit scale, scale by line. Whatever it is that you want, you can play around these. You click OK. Okay, so when you click OK, so you can see even here it says strength detected 75. Okay, at this zone, there is a bullish order block which has been detected and the strength is 75. Okay, so if I click on 1 hour time frame, you can see this, it is showing you there is a bearish order block here, the market dropped. Here there is a bull order block there. It is able to show you all these things. So these are volume profile lines. The green ones, these are volume profile lines. And then this yellow line here, okay, it is called POC or point of confirmation 9.6. So usually what happens if I take you on, this is on a 1 hour time frame, which is great. So we can see all the way before the market was busy ranging above, but eventually the market broke down. There was a break of structure immediately. And now, the moment the market broke below this point of confirmation, you wait, you don't enter. But when you see the market making a retracement back to this level, which means it already broke this point of confirmation, all right? It is a sign that the market will keep on trending down below. So your entry point is to enter when you see the market reaching at this level. So I do this. What this is trying, they're trying to make a retracement after breaking out of the structure. So when you sell, you put your stop loss a little bit above. You expect the market to continue dropping, okay? To continue dropping because it already broke this point of confirmation. And you can even see that these green are volume profile. And also we have these gray also, these are VP line of volume profile lines. And also here it is able to show you the risk is low, the recent delta and all these things, cumulative delta, signal analyzing. It is also analyzing. So you can see here it is time to enter. It has even given you bullish bias 3.3 confirmation. Okay, so what are we expecting here? Okay, since this already, you can even tell the strength is changing for bearish order block there, okay, which is 50. It is telling you all these things. So how do you use this? You can see down below here, there is another window called Smart Flow here, which is indicating all these data there. And there are these lines, okay, showing you everything. So what this is showing you, up above there, this is an overbought. Down below here, this is an oversold. This is how I designed this indicator. So when you see this yellow line is playing so much up above there, okay, trying to drop. And these are showing you the strength of the market, okay? So right now, we should expect gold to start selling since it already broke below that volume profile. This is how you use it, okay? And if I go on smaller time frame, okay, like this 30-minute time frame, I am expecting the market to start selling. Okay, I do this here. You can toggle this on and off. Okay, let's just say I reduce this and then I want to sell. And then I'll take this to put a stop loss just a little bit above and my take profit just there. Okay, so what I'm expecting is gold to start selling. This is a confirmation. This is like break of structure below this point of confirmation, which is the main yellow line there. And then they are trying to make a retracement up back there. Okay, so this is how you use it. You wait for the confirmation. Okay, you wait for the confirmation and then you enter. I'll also post some screenshots of the results of all the trades that I entered after it gave me those signals. Okay, those signals. So this is how you use this indicator. It gives you the confirmation. Okay, it gives you the confirmation. So here, signal, it is saying still analyzing. Okay, it is still analyzing. Bullish bias 3.3 confirmation. So what if we go on a 4-hour time frame? 4-hour time frame there, it is showing you the bullish bias, okay? Which means it may still keep on pushing, okay? It may still keep on pushing. This is the reason why when you enter early, like I did, you make a mistake. So the best time frame that you use this for, okay, it is to use it on a higher time frame, like 4-hour time frame. As you can see, I was on a 1-hour time frame, yet it still gave me here the bearish confirmation, but here it gave me the bullish confirmation. 3.3 confirmations. It confirmed that the market is bullish. Okay, but at the same time, if you look here, this is a short-term trade that you can take. Okay, if I come here, I do this on a 15-minute time frame, I'll wait. I'm still seeing that the market broke the point of confirmation there, and it kept creating lower low, lower high, lower low, and then it will go create lower high, and then it will drop. Okay, so what we saw on a 4-hour time frame, that is for a long term. But for you and me as an intraday trader, we can use this specifically to make sure that we enter at the right time. So right now here, I can make an entry just like that, okay, because I already know that this is still going to be a bearish movement at the particular time frame that we are using. Okay, so you have to make sure that you understand. So for those who like position trading, you can even go as far as on a daily time frame. Okay, toggle this off. So here it is telling you market is neutral, waiting for clear direction, still analyzing. So it hasn't confirmed yet. Okay, it hasn't confirmed yet. And if we go on a 1-week time frame again, let's see what this gives us. On a 1-week time frame, it is showing us this, let's see, 3.3 confirmation. This is a bullish, okay, it's a bullish movement. It's a bullish confirmation on a 1-week time frame. So all this is dependent on the time frame that you're using. And then another part that you have to understand is you can trade anything. Euro USD, let's see. So on Euro USD 4-hour time frame, what is this showing us? Bullish bias with a confirmation of 2.3 confirmations. And then if we come on a 1-hour time frame, it is showing us bullish bias 3.3 confirmation. But like I told you, depending on the type of a trader you are, since the market broke below this point of confirmation, came down below, and then now it is making a retracement, you can take a sell trade just for a little bit, okay? You can take a sell trade. So if I want, I can try to make an entry and sell from there, okay? And sell from there. You can see the trade that we did enter on gold. right there is already in profit. Let me show you something. If we come here, okay, there was the trade that I took, okay, that I took. Look, I told you. So if you look at the profit, all the trades and the entries that I've done, they are in profit. So as long as you make sure that you confirm, you wait for it to break below the volume or above the volume, the main volume profile, which is a point of confirmation, you can even tell it is changing the data there. It was 9.6, but now it is 11.3, which is another confirmation. So you only enter when you see break of structure, and then it makes a retracement back to that level, and then you'll be able to make a better entry. But in the meantime, look how this is moving. So all you have to do is to make sure that you confirm that this is all this data that the indicator is showing you is confirmed without even you having to hurry or rushing for anything. Okay, look at all these trades, they are in profit. Okay, so this is not a get quick scheme. No, get rich quick scheme. No, this is where you have to understand how the market works based on the signals that this is giving you. So what I'm gonna do now, I will attach it comes with a manual on how to specifically use this product to help you be productive. So if we go on GBP USD again, okay, this is what we are on Euro USD there. Okay, so this is Euro USD. Look, like I told you, we entered there. Okay, so here it is even able to tell you that here there is a bear order block right there. So our entry where we sold are these dotted lines there, and then look, it is dropping. Okay, it is dropping. So on a smaller time frame, look how this is dropping in. On a smaller time frame, here we see that the market broke this point of confirmation, went above, and what we are seeing here is a retracement. Okay, but on a 1 hour time frame, this is what we are seeing. So you have to understand on the type of a trader you are. And here we have a bearish signal, okay, with the confirmation of 2.3 confirmations. So we can see that on a 1 hour time frame, the market already broke below that point of confirmation. And look at the trades and the entries that I took. Like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme. It is something that you have to understand on how to use this indicator, because it is going to help you. And there is much more. Okay, look, that is an overbought. All right, and soon we should expect the market to start dropping. Okay, and right now, as we can see, if you look here, okay, it is showing you bearish, and the market has been dropping just like that. So you have to understand on how to use it. So I built it specifically for this, to help traders to make a confident decision in this regard. So like I said, make sure that you are patient and follow what this indicator is showing you. So thank you guys, and bye bye.